I'm Walt Maddox, Mayor of the City of Tuscaloosa. Being mayor of my hometown is one of the greatest honors of my life and has afforded me the privilege of serving a place that I love and people I believe in. Today, I'm announcing the formation of a political committee to help me explore the possibility of running for governor in 2018. The decision to form the committee was easy. By taking this step, I'm complying with Alabama's election and ethics laws and continuing our tradition of transparency. The more difficult decision of running for governor lies ahead, and I take seriously my responsibilities as a husband, father, and mayor for those that I love and serve. They deserve thoughtful answers. Wherever this path may lead, it is undeniable that as Alabamians, we all deserve better. In just the past 2 years, our governor, our chief justice, our speaker of the House have all left office under a cloud of shame. But there's hope. I have heard the voices of people from across Alabama calling for a new beginning in Montgomery, a new covenant between the people of Alabama and the people serving us. We must create a new covenant together. We owe it to ourselves. We owe it to our children. We owe it to the future. There's something else you need to know. I'm a Democrat. While many have urged me to change parties for the sake of political convenience, that would be dishonest. Dishonest with you, dishonest with myself. We don't need any more dishonesty. The days of running for the Democratic Party or for the Republican Party need to end. It's time to run for the people of Alabama. Your voice matters, and in the months ahead, I look forward to beginning this journey of creating a new covenant by listening to your concerns, understanding your hopes, and exploring this amazing opportunity to be your advocate in the governor's office. I'm ready to make Alabama proud again. So let's get to work.